Hello everyone, Luke Smith here. This is going to be an unboxing and a little bit of a tryout on a remote control Tarantula. Another thing I got for Christmas. I'm slowly getting through the actual bag of stuff that I want to do unboxings on. Mainly because I want to do an unboxing on something every single Thursday and something else on the Sundays. This is it's got a remote control. Apparently it's got batteries in it, so we'll soon find out. It has got 4 directions, so you can steer it, you can make it go backwards and forwards. It's got realistic movements, and I think it's got glowy eyes and stuff. So we are going to have a little look. It's ages 6 and up, so I'm pretty sure a 31-year-old child like myself can actually use this. Let's actually open this and see what we have. On the I just felt it. It feels weird. It feels really weird. Okay, let us open this up. Here, there's some instructions in the box. Here's the instructions, but I'm pretty sure it's easy to use. The controls are pretty easy. Here, I'm pretty sure the batteries are in here. So we'll open them up now and see if they are the batteries. Oh boy, yes, we have batteries. Okay, let me put them there. I'm so glad that they included batteries in this thing, because even though I probably need to get a screwdriver to that just feels really weird to me. Seriously, let's have a look at the oh, here it is. Oh, here's the back of it anyway. Let's just undo these tabs, and I think, yeah, just slides out. So here is very light. There's a light that goes on when it's on. So you got up, down, left and right, and you've got a demo here. Oh damn it! You need to get a screwdriver. I think I have got a screwdriver somewhere. I'll have to pause the video. And here's a switch that turns it on and off. Is that on and off? Let me see. Yeah, on and off. And obviously you got the antenna, which I think no, you can't. Okay, normally you can unscrew them. It's a really wobbly antenna. It's got some information on the back. The sides are normal, so pretty easy thing to have. Let me undo the spider for a minute. Here is the creepy spider. It's like I saw, not really felt, but like a really weird rough textured material. It feels like a real Tarantula though. He says the person that's never held a Tarantula in his life. On the back of it, obviously, it's got the wheels obviously to turn and stuff here. That one's the free flowing wheel. It has the on and off switch. So let me just turn it off for a minute. Here is another battery compartment that I need to get a screwdriver to do. You can see from here how the legs go like that. So that's the thing, something like this, it will just go on the wheels, and these are just move anyway. The front ones, yeah, they actually move as well. Let me just get some close-up shots, even though it's like black, so you probably can't see it. Have a little shot of his face. Focus. Don't seem to want to focus. Let me just pan out all the time. Okay, this is the best. See these? I'm guessing they light up because they look like LEDs. So yeah, I'm gonna put some batteries in him and I'll demo him. Just thought I'd show off the batteries that came with it. You get 2 sets for the remote and 2 sets for the Tarantula. Actually, to be fair, I think these are both for the Tarantula and this is for the remote. I'm not quite sure, but it might have a spare set, so I'll figure this one out. It's got plastic on it. Make sure you take the plastic off first, obviously. Okay, so the spider does take 4 batteries. They stack 2 on top of each other. and this actually takes a square battery. You just start plonk it and just push it in there. Let's actually turn these on and we'll see what they do. I just noticed he's got a little stumpy towel on. I think they do, because that's where the silk thread comes out of when they make the web. This is really heavy now, so let's turn this on. And it has really nice glowy eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna put it sideways, so hopefully this will work on this fabric here. So I'm gonna turn this on as well. There we are. Gonna put it in demo mode. Please don't fall off. Stop. Okay, you work. We get it. So let me, I don't have much floor space to work with in here. I'm going to take this off the tripod and put the tripod away and see if I got more space. Okay, I wasn't expecting to put it on the floor, so it's a little bit dirty. I haven't hoovered up in about a week. I will test him now. Red left, he does good on his floor. He goes backwards and forwards. We get into an open space here. Let's yeah, I only have my boxes on at the minute. And just get him into position. No, we need to go back. Forward. There. This, I could play with this all day. You spin me round. This actually works, and the legs, you could see the legs like wriggling. I wish his eyes wasn't that bright though. Also, something that I do wish with these things, like if you're making a remote control insect, something like that, put red eyes in him. Red eyes would work a lot better, but I think green eyes work as well. Also, demo. Yeah, demo just sends him in a straight line. Also, if you press that, the red light comes on there. So that's pretty neat. I'm gonna turn him off, turn the remote control off. So let's grab him. Okay, so yeah, his eyes is really bright. He's got nice markings on him and everything. Quite like that. Let me just turn him around. Oh, that looks weird. Put him on my belly. Let me just turn his eyes off. There we are. He's powered off. Yeah, there's a lot of weight in his abdomen now. Yeah, 4 batteries go in there stacked on top of each other. The legs just move, and it's just the wheels that's doing all the work. And there's the this one here. That's just a free flowing wheel there. So to be fair, this is pretty good. I like this. I'm going to get a few macro shots of him to put on Instagram if I can. I think you can do that by uploading from your computer. I'm not quite sure. I haven't tried it. So yeah, this has been a remote control spider unboxing and review. I'm just going to call it a review because it's mostly a review. So yeah, next time I will have something completely different. So see you then.